The subject of today's video is how to remove all followers on Threads. Let's have a look. Activate your Threads account. Install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone if there isn't one already, then create an account. If you have an iPhone, you must go to the App Store. Here are the easiest and quickest methods on how to remove all followers on Threads. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram and additionally requires users to both have Instagram and use Threads under the same handle. What you have to do is simply open your Threads profile as I have opened it. Tap the Followers button just below the username. Another page will be shown with the options of Followers, Followings, and Pending. Followers is a list of profiles that follow you. Following is the list of profiles of whom you have followed. The pending is the list of profiles that you have followed, but they are still in the process of accepting your follow request. Simply press the followers option, and the list of your followers will appear. Open the profile you want to remove. Now press the three buttons in the upper right corner and a menu will appear, where you will get the option of Remove Followers. Simply press it and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm it by pressing the Confirm option. You can do the same process one by one if you want to remove any friends, as you can't remove all of your followers at once. You have to do it individually. So this is the simplest way to remove followers on Threads. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.